secret tree. Yes, sir. Alright, well, here goes nothing. It's open. Oh, Mike must have beat us. Yep,
oh, yeah.
He did. That's better.
Terry said that they have gas and that it's normal, not long lines.
Ooh, that was tight. That was close. We still have a trailer. Woohoo! For now.
So where are you putting this thing?
Right there. What's going on?
Listen, touch me.
Jesus Christ.
Well, I'm Jesus Christ. Something fucking touched me. I don't know.
Holy fuckity fuck. I thought you were like getting ready to tell me that.
No.
Like the camper was getting ready to fall over.
Something touched me.
Okay.
You want to use this for stuff, but this is probably the best place for you to park this. Unless you see something better up there.
Yeah, I think so. I think we got something better.
Okay.
We'll see here in a minute.
Okay. Want to do the mower in that.
Yeah, I mean, we were thinking I can come around here,
but
right up around that corner, we could be up in the shade.
Oh.
I think. Hmm? Camper. Come with me. Like I said, we're in the shade.
Yeah,
I will cut this down.
Yeah, I see what you're doing. I get it.